Hi, nice to meet you. Hi, nice to meet you. My name is Jack. I am 20. My name is Jack. I am 20. I am a student at university. I am a student at university. I go to university in Oxford. I go to university in Oxford. I am going to study mechanical engineering, but my first year course is English. I am going to study mechanical engineering, but my first year course is English. English is enjoyable. English is enjoyable. I learn something new every day, and I can practice too. I learn something new every day, and I can practice too. My professors are very good. My professors are very good. They are very friendly and smart. They are very friendly and smart. I love it here. I love it here. I live in a small house in Nelson Street. I live in a small house in Nelson Street. It's near the campus. It's near the campus. I share the house with two other students. I share the house with two other students. Their names are David and Paul. Their names are David and Paul. David is tall and thin. David is tall and thin. Paul is generous and kind. Paul is generous and kind. We help each other with homework and we practice English together. We help each other with homework and practice English together. At the weekend, we really love exploring the city. At the weekend, we really love exploring the city. I have a little sister. Her name is Camelia. I have a little sister. Her name is Camelia. She's just started high school. She just started high school. She is 14, so she still lives with my parents. She is 14, so she still lives with my parents. They live in big villa in Paris. They live in a big villa in Paris. Sometimes they visit me in Oxford. Sometimes they visit me in Oxford. I am very happy when they visit. I am very happy when they visit. When they come to visit, my mom always cooks my favorite food. When they come to visit, my mom always cooks my favorite food.